Hey guys, Harsh here from ShoutMeLoud, and let's learn something interesting today. Today video is for all the SiteGround users or people who are using WordPress who wants to learn something new and exciting. This video is for you. Now, as you know that WordPress runs on PHP, and it's very important for your security and speed that you must be using latest version of PHP, which is 7.4. I think 7.4 is the stable version, but 8.0 is also out. You can use 8.0 PHP version. But many of you might be using an old version of PHP, and you can check that by using two methods. You can install this WordPress plugin called display PHP version. It would show you which PHP version you are running on your website. Now, if I go to my WordPress dashboard, it shows me that I'm running 5.6.40, which is quite an old PHP version, and it means my website is not only slow, but it also has security concerns. But before we move ahead and I would show you how to upgrade your PHP version on SiteGround, let me show you one more cool thing. So once you're on your dashboard, you would see this option called Site Health Status. You can click on visit the site health screen, and what this site health tool would do, it would scan your website and give you vital information about your site health. So for example, it's saying that my site could not be found by search engine, which is by the way wrong, false alarm. Anyways, it's suggesting that I should remove inactive plugin and I should remove inactive themes, which is a great step to improve the security of any WordPress website. But when you click on info and you go to server here, it would also show you the current PHP version of your website, which is 5.6, which is quite outdated. And what we need to do is we need to install the latest PHP version. Now, if you're on SiteGround, most likely they would do it for you because they are a self-managed WordPress hosting, one of the best. Unfortunately, they don't offer their services in India or in Southeast Asian country. But if you are from Europe or US, you should definitely be looking at SiteGround for hosting your WordPress website. But if you're from India, you can always sign up for bluehost.in, which is an Indian version of bluehost.com and one of the best web hosting for Indian website. Now, moving back, I got this email from SiteGround saying that they will be updating my PHP version to 7.4 pretty soon, like probably next week. And I was thinking, how can I do it myself? And that's where I discovered this method. I mean, basically this method is available, but I found this method on how to update PHP on SiteGround, and something that you can learn with this video. All right. And additionally, what I'm also doing is I'm also running a page speed insights of before and after upgrading the PHP. So right now my page speed insight score on the mobile side is 30, which is pretty bad. And there are a lot of reasons for this. I mean, this is not a well managed website. It's outdated and something which I have not updated since 2019, which is like almost 1.5 year back. Anyways, so first thing first, before updating your PHP version, what you want to do is you want to take a manual backup of your website. Now, if you're on SiteGround, I have just published a video showing you how to take manual backup of WordPress on SiteGround hosting. You can watch this video to learn how to take manual backup of your WordPress site on SiteGround. Now, after that, log into your SiteGround account manager. And by the way, SiteGround offers Site Tools, which is their custom cPanel to manage your website on SiteGround. But anyways, let's go to websites and select the website for which you want to upgrade the PHP. So in this case, it's Calling All Geeks. So I'll go to Site Tools here by clicking on this. And by the way, if you want to take a backup, you can go to Security and take a manual backup of your website. But for upgrading the PHP version, you can click on Devs and click on PHP Manager. Here are a few interesting stuff. So you can use standard PHP, and SiteGround also offers something called ultra fast PHP. Now, according to their guides, ultra fast PHP will make your website 30% faster in comparison with standard PHP. But ultrafast PHP should be used for a website which is well visited website. But if you are using subdomain and need different PHP version, then you need to use standard PHP. Now in this case, I only have one website, and so what I would be doing, instead of manually, just a second, instead of manually changing PHP version from 5.6 to something which I can do by clicking on this icon and then select, PHP 8.07 or 7.4. But what I would be doing is I would be selecting ultrafast PHP. Now before you do that, another reminder, make sure that you have taken a backup of your WordPress, because if thing goes wrong, you can always restore your website. So let's do that. I don't know how this will end, but let's try. Okay, let's select ultrafast PHP, click on confirm. And as you can see, the PHP version has changed to 7.4. PHP setup has changed to ultrafast PHP. Now let's refresh the dashboard to see if the site works. And okay, so there are some errors. Let's see if these errors are on the home page also. So there are a few issues with the theme which I can fix in a bit, but let's purge as cache. And for this error, what I can do is I can fix it manually, or I can restore my site from the backup. The choice is mine. But what I would be doing, I will be fixing this in a bit, but before that I want to show you some cool stuff. So what I'll be doing is I'll refreshing the page so that it rebuilds the cache, or let's refresh this site health, so that what we want to see is we want to see this to 7.4, which is the version that we were looking to add to our PHP version. So this one is sorted. This might have helped you to learn how to upgrade your PHP version on SiteGround. Now this is how you would be keep upgrading your PHP version. So let's change. Okay, so it's managed PHP. We can't change it to PHP 8.0. And pretty much that's it, guys. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. If this video has helped you, to do give us a thumbs up so that this video reaches out to more people. And I would see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh.